Welcome to Best Choice. The best Kirkland Putter Weight Kit is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any golfer looking to fine-tune their putting stroke and achieve greater consistency on the greens, offering a simple yet effective way to customize the feel and performance of your favorite putter to match your unique swing and course conditions. Number 5. HISTAR Golf Putter Custom Weight Screws. Enhance your golf game with our custom putter weight screws. These are designed to perfectly fit a wide range of popular putter models, allowing for precise adjustments. Available in a variety of weights from 5G to 45G, you can fine-tune your club's balance for optimal swing feel. Choose the perfect weight to match your playing style. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, 5G, 20G, and tungsten steel, 25G, 45G, these weights are built to last. They offer excellent durability for consistent performance on the course. These weights are compatible with many Titleist Scotty models, including Newport, Phantom, Golo, Futura, and California Series putters. Please check compatibility before purchase. Each weight includes a protective rubber ring seal. This ensures that moisture is kept out of your putter's weight cavity, protecting its integrity. While these are generic weights and not manufactured by Scotty, they offer a high-quality and cost-effective solution for customizing your putter. What we like. This option offers the widest variety of weight increments, including heavier tungsten options for significant adjustments. If you're looking to fine-tune your putter's swing weight with precision and need heavier options, this is the choice for you. It's ideal for golfers who understand the impact of weight on their stroke and want maximum customization. What people say. The weights are well machined and fit perfectly on my Scotty putter. This kit provides a good range of weights, allowing for fine-tuning of the putter's swing weight. The included wrench makes it easy to swap out the weights without damaging the putter head. Number 4. Golf Weights Wrench Kit for Titleist Scotty. Enhance your putting game with our high-quality aftermarket golf weights. These are designed for optimal performance and compatibility. Our weights are compatible with a wide range of popular putter series, including Newport, Phantom, Golo, Futura, and California models. Each weight comes with protective rubber O-rings to prevent moisture from entering your putter's weight cavity, ensuring durability. Please note that these weights are not compatible with certain specific models, including some 2008, 2014, and 2018 Select Series putters. These are genuine aftermarket weights, photographed in kind by GOFOTU. We pursue legal obligations against unauthorized copying. Available in various weights from 5G to 45G, you can select the perfect weight to match your playing style and preferences. What we like. This set provides a high-quality aftermarket solution with the convenience of an included wrench kit. If you're seeking a reliable and complete package for your Scotty putter, this is a great option. It's perfect for golfers who want a straightforward upgrade without needing to purchase additional tools. What people say. The weights are a perfect fit for the putter. Easy to screw in and out, allowing for quick adjustments. The kit comes with multiple weight options, offering versatility for different swing preferences. Number 3. SuperStroke Counter Core Weight Putter Grip. Experience effortless setup with our threaded cap design. It makes installing the weight a breeze. Achieve optimal balance in your swing. The added backweighting provides a more stable feel. Designed to work seamlessly with our Plus series grips. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. This accessory is crafted for performance. Its thoughtful design enhances your putting game. Made with attention to detail in China. Trust in its durable construction for consistent play. What we like. This product focuses on adding backweighting through an easy-to-install threaded cap design, specifically for compatible grips. If you're using a SuperStroke Plus series grip and want to experiment with balance and feel, this is the product to consider. It's designed for golfers who want to alter the overall balance of their club through the grip. What people say. The weights are easy to screw in and out. The weights are well made and feel solid. This kit allows you to adjust the swing weight of your putter. Number 2. GOFOTU Golf Custom Weights for Titleist Scotty putters. Enhance your golf game with these custom weights designed for your Titleist Scotty Cameron putter. They offer a perfect fit for various models, ensuring optimal performance on the green. These weights are compatible with 2012 style Newport, Studio Series, Golo, California Series, Button Back, Combi, and My Girl putters. Please note they are not designed for square back, fast back, select round back, or detour models. Each weight comes with protective rubber rings to prevent moisture from entering the putter weight cavity. This ensures longevity and consistent performance. You can select a package that includes 2 weights of your chosen grammage, or opt for a single weight with an optional wrench. Get the setup that best suits your needs. These high-quality aftermarket weights are exclusively photographed and offered by GOFOTU. Trust in our genuine product for your golf equipment. What we like. This option is tailored for the Titleist Scotty Cameron 2012 style putters, offering a precise fit. If you own a putter from that specific era and are looking for compatible weights with moisture protection, this is a strong contender. It's best for owners of those particular models who want a secure and well-fitting weight. What people say. The weights are well machined and fit perfectly. It's a great way to fine-tune the swing weight of your putter. The kit comes with a good variety of weights to experiment with. Number 1. Golf Weight Kit for Odyssey Stroke Lab Putters. Introducing our high-quality aftermarket golf weight kit, designed to enhance your putting performance. These weights are built to last and ensure optimal results on the green. Each weight features a protective rubber ring, effectively sealing out moisture. This ensures the longevity of your putter by preventing water from entering the weight cavity. Select the ideal weight for your game from a range of options, including 5G, 10G, 15G, 20G, 25G, 30G, and 35G. Find the perfect balance to suit your putting style. These weights are compatible with Odyssey Stroke Lab Series, O-Works, and Triple Track putters. Achieve consistent performance with equipment designed for your specific needs. Please note that these weights are not compatible with certain models, including Odyssey White Hot OG No. 7 and various 2-ball series putters. Always check the specifications before purchasing. The weights have a diameter of 0.79 inches, 20 mm, and feature a 3-circle screw thread. Verify these dimensions and thread type against your current weights to ensure a perfect fit. Your purchase includes 4 golf weights, with options like 2x10G and 2x15G, along with a convenient wrench tool and a protective case. Everything you need to upgrade your putter is included. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for Odyssey Stroke Lab, O-Works, and Triple Track putters, offering a comprehensive set with a wrench and case. If you're an Odyssey putter owner looking for a complete and convenient solution, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for those who want an all-in-one package to adjust their Odyssey putter. What people say. The weights are a perfect fit for the putter and allow for easy adjustment of the swing weight. This kit provides a good range of weight options, enabling golfers to fine-tune their putting stroke. The weights are well machined and feel substantial, contributing to a balanced feel on the greens. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.